there's the causative link between a maize-dependent society and climate. It's literally, you can graph it. It's like, it's amazing that you can even, I've seen papers where they look at moisture availability during the setting of the cob and then production per acre of corn. It's perfectly correlated. So there's no doubt there could be a link between climate and a society that's heavily dependent on maize. Therefore, in those cases, I think making an environmentally deterministic argument makes sense logically.
Especially if you look today, for instance, some mega Nino events, like into 2023 in the Amazon. The people, they die. Thousands of fishes die. If you have one drought 1 year, the second one the year after, and the third one, villages, they die. It is the same, not to be deterministic, to see the effect is today.